Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mini lollipops. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. You will also need your chosen flavoring extract and food coloring. Make sure you have mini lollipop sticks, silicone molds, and a reliable candy thermometer ready. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's cook the syrup. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Stir gently until the sugar dissolves, then stop stirring. Insert your candy thermometer and heat the mixture over medium-high heat until it reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 degrees Celsius. This is the hard crack stage, crucial for lollipop texture. Once the syrup reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat. Wait a moment for the bubbles to subside, then carefully stir in your desired flavoring extract and a few drops of food coloring. Work quickly, as the syrup will cool and harden fast. Pour the hot candy mixture into your prepared mini lollipop molds. Immediately place a lollipop stick into each mold, twisting it gently to ensure it's fully coated and secure. After pouring, let your mini lollipops cool undisturbed in their molds for at least 20 minutes, or until they are completely firm. Once cooled, carefully pop them out of the silicone molds. If you plan to store them, wrap each lollipop individually in cellophane to prevent stickiness. These homemade treats are perfect for parties or as small gifts. And hey, for an effortless cleanup, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.